found that plasma has no benefit in reducing the progression of the disease nor in the death rate.
In the latest, the ICMR has dropped the convalescent plasma therapy from the recommended treatment guidelines for COVID-19. This development comes after ICMR's National Task Force said that the plasma therapy lacked effectiveness and wasn't used appropriately in many cases. The Union government's topmost advisory body also stated that convalescent plasma therapy offers no therapeutic benefits to the patients admitted in the hospital. As per a report by the PTI, the task force members said they were not in a favor of continuing the plasma therapy as a part of the clinical management guidelines for COVID-19. After considering the suggestion, ICMR dropped it from the COVID-19 treatment protocols. The therapy was widely used in India to treat the COVID-19 infected patients in the hospital. Today, we are joined by Dr. Masand to tell us more about the step taken by the ICMR.
Hello, I am Dr. Anil Masand. Now, it has recently been found ICMR has conducted a study called PLACID study, which was done in 39 centers on more than 11,500 patients, and they have found that plasma has no benefit in reducing the progression of the disease nor in the death rate. And hence, AIIMS Director Dr. Randeep Guleria and ICMR Chief Dr. Balram Bhargav have issued guidelines which says that plasma therapy is no longer effective, inappropriate, and it is irrational to use plasma. In fact, one more study has recently come up which is published in Lancet, a very prominent journal, which says that if inappropriately plasma was used in patients with mild, moderate, severe disease or in all kinds of critical patients, that there has been emergence of some virulent strains of virus, and that could be a very big risk of another pandemic coming up with a new variant, and hence the use of plasma therapy has been withdrawn.